Hello everybody and wish you all a very happy new year. I thought why not to start a new year with some learning and development. So in next 1 minute I'm going to show you how do you quickly calculate a time in Excel. So sometime when you add a time in Excel you get a wrong result. So what is the problem and how do you change the format? Just in 1 minute you will learn some interesting trick. So let's get started. So over here I have days and I have times over here, and this is basically 5 hours. So if you will see 5 into this 7 days, it's all should come 35 hours, correct? But when I put a sum formula, so over here I get 11. So basically it's wrong. It should be 35. So when I drag it on the right hand side, again I get an issue. How it can be 15? It's 9 hours. So 9 hours into 7 days, it should be 9763, right? So I think there is some problem. So there is no problem, but you just have to change the date format, time format. So again I will come over here and I will quickly show you how do you do that. You just have to select, so here you got 11, and now what you will do is you can press Control 1. Okay, so you can press Control 1, which is a shortcut for your cell format, or if you wish you can right click on it and you can click on Format Cells. In Format Cells over here, do you see this HH? Here you'd have to remove one H and put single H in a square bracket, so you can say angular bracket. So normally I will copy this so that you can see it very clearly. You will just change the format over here in the custom and you just say okay, and wow, it became 35. Amazing, very simple. So here normally it is 15, here it shows 63, which is right. Here it shows 11, here it's 35, which is 5 into 7 days, 35 hours. Interesting. So here is the format which you need to apply. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.